Hey everyone, it's Jared from acousticnature.com, and today I'm going to the same place that I was at yesterday, but there was a huge thunderstorm and I got totally soaked. I got some good recordings of rain though, one really long good recording, and I have officially retired one of my Olympus LS10 recorders. I left it up in a tree yesterday and I was super excited about the spot, and when I got home the entire recording was corrupted because some kind of digital electronic malfunction was making this really loud hum noise. So I have a brand new Olympus that I just got, brand new used that is, and we're gonna try that one out today. So I'm bringing that and my Sony D100. That's the plan. I've just come to what's going to be my first recording spot, and there's a stream to the back left, and in front of me here, this way for you guys, there's a lot of birds that are calling. So I'm going to put my LS10 here with my binaural recording mics, and I'm just going to leave it here, and I'll come pick it up on my way out. So I've been here for about 15 minutes, and in that 15 minutes, the wildlife got used to my presence, came back to life, making lots of noise. But I am going to move my location for a couple reasons. The first one is that I can still hear a lot of cars, which tells me I'm not far enough into the woods. And the second reason is that the sun is starting to come out and melt off some of that fog that we had. And although the wildlife did come back to this area and become active after it got used to me, it's not that loud, and you can still, plugged in my headphones, so you could still hear the stream pretty loudly in the background. And I'm after a more silent woodland with birds as the focus. Right now the stream is kind of the focus in the background. It's still quite loud. So I'm going to hike deeper into the woods, and I'm going to try and stay away from these streams.